it's Hey I'm Hamster, and today I have the slime from the stress balls we opened last time, but I added some glitter and my friend came over so we added another stress ball. And I bought another stress ball, which is another pink one, because right now this one's green, I don't really like green that much. So we have this pink one right here, and I'm going to mix it into the green and see. Ooh, I'm gonna see what's gonna create. So first, I'm going to open up this one. So I'm gonna move this back. There, and I think I'm gonna need this spoon because you never know. I'm just gonna get maybe everything pink off. Yeah, that's why. I'm going to try scraping it all off. Okay. And I think every time when I'm actually going to showcase this slime, I'm going to add on one more. Or it's going to be a video. And by the way, guys, there's going to be a series coming on, which I'm going to do with my best friends. And I hope you will like that one. So this is the slime. There. Okay, and now we're going to get this slime here. I'm going to scrape some up here. Okay, and I'm going to plop it in there. With my thumb. Okay. There we go. Oh, I wish you guys could like see from up front. Okay. It's gonna be like a pinkish green. And I'm also gonna go out to the shop where I bought the stress balls and buy a fidget spinner, because right now I have this. Where's that? I have this white one, so I'm gonna go out and buy another one, and I might buy some more stress balls if they have any more, because it's the same shop where I got stress balls. Okay, so yes, there's also a other series which is going to be called the Jelly Family, and it's where me and my friends so my mom's into aloe vera, which is a really good thing for like medicine stuff. You guys should actually try it. And I'm gonna use her aloe vera gel to be filming a video or a series, you might say. I don't know how long the series will be. Oh, look at that. Look how nice it looks on the top. I don't know what pattern I'm going for right now. But it's going to be some pattern, some weird pattern. This looks good. Hope you guys like the Roblox one. And I'm sorry about the volume. Like right now, I'm a noob at all this making video stuff. So I promise you there's going to be a better quality video coming up soon. And I also might make my own mod pack, because I have a friend that can do that. So you guys might be able to download a mod pack that me and my friend made. Well, my friend made, because I'm a noob at it. I can't even make one. Okay, so this is as much as I can get off. And I think my pot is actually getting really full. I'm gonna try one more scoop. I'm just gonna try to get everything. So action here. This Smash it into 2 scoops. Because I do not want to waste any of the slime. Oh, guys. I'm sorry for not posting yesterday, guys. My friend, as I did say, she came over. And we were just doing some random stuff, and like I had no time to film. Because once she left, I had to do uploading and editing from my new video that's about to come out after this one. Guys, it's overflowing. Guys, you can just see that it's overflowing. Oh my god, no, 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 no. Guys, no. I'm just gonna legit just pop it in there. So let's see what it looks like once I pop it in there. Yeah, it's definitely overflowing. Alright, last scoop, and this will be actually the last scoop. There. And this was the last scoop. There we go, guys. And I actually have another pot which is much bigger, which could fit this slime in. Which is this pot, which I use for slime, I think. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys watch this. I'm gonna get the spoon and just pour it in. Sorry about that scraping plastic spoon. Okay, well, I think that's a wrap. So I'm going to see you guys next week or tomorrow if I can. So I'm going to see you guys tomorrow, and I actually might add some shaving cream into this. Because right now it's very, very sticky, and I've heard that with this stuff, if you put shaving cream in it, it actually gets rid of the stickiness. I don't know, I'm going to try it in that small container. With a bit of the slime and see if it tests out. I'm going to test that on camera. So yeah, alright, well, I am going to say that's a goodbye. So, bye!